Abomination upon abomination. Alu. Hey! Nigerian man don't come outside and come narrate how he impregnating mother-in-law. How he impregnating mother-in-law wey later give birth to one boy. And person, hi, Chineke me, I don't tire. The kind things wey dey happen. My people, this man meeting wife. The period where engage in wife, now the same period where come meet the mother-in-law. According to that, they say they go for one entertainment spot, something. And they say this one has to be flex. Now there they meet, they introduce them, this one. And all that time, the mother-in-law no say now the son-in-law be that. But the man no say now the mother-in-law be that. At first. And that period now him and the daughter they know each other, blah blah blah, you understand? Engagement can't take place. Even after engagement, my people they say now so this man I bring her so that I go hear her from your mouth. He said him and the mother-in-law even had sex inside the car. Ha! Wala opopo. Abeg, I want make una hear her. Open una ear very well, if not you no go understand. I want make una hear her with una koro ear. So abeg join me, make we watch the video.
When I met my current wife, actually, everything was fine. We were dating, and eventually I proposed. She accepted. Prior to that, she had just introduced me to her family, and I got close to the mother, and I ran into her at an entertainment spot. She even introduced me as a son-in-law, or son-in-law to be. And that evening, when we're going back home, but I think the driver was taking a while to come pick her up. So I told her that I would drop her at home instead. When we got to a particular place, I parked to pee, and when I got into the car, one thing later, we started kissing and making out. Eventually, we had sex in the vehicle.
Oh my goodness!
And she just been weighing me down, and to cut the long story short, she actually got pregnant.
What? Wait! You went ahead to marry her daughter?
Yes, I did.
Hi. Hey, this one like this already lay foundation for generational curse. Which kind mixed abomination? This one they mix some. Just imagine, you get pikin with your wife, you get pikin with your mother-in-law. Wetin I go call this one now? Wetin I won't call this one because hey, now you define advice. Anybody that has gone through the same thing should please tell me what to do. Who has gone through the same thing? Una go just the cause problem for this society. Una the cause problem for this society. Now, if any of these children grow up now, marry, generational cause, it go follow them. You see why we they go through some kind things for this our life, and we don't know where they come from. Now from this kind of thing. Many people they suffer today because of the nonsense that their forefather did. Now you they look for advice. When you they busy, they banging the woman, you don't know. You don't know say you go find advice. And the thing even they pay me pass now be say before he married the wife, he already know say that the mother-in-law be that. So why you still continue with the wedding? Why you still continue? Assuming no, make una try understand me. You and your wife already get one daughter. You go impregnate mother-in-law, we give you one son. Assuming you no go on with the marriage plans with your wife, now the matter for reduce more. Charlie, Chineke. I've been a thick. Say if me and you be brothers, you born pikin, your pikin automatically go call me auntie. I can't dey wonder wetin this man now, wetin his son go dey call am. My people, as I do my own research, it can't be say this man pikin na him brother-in-law automatically. No, you say run am. Run and check am. His son is his brother-in-law now. Who will offend for this country? Who will offend? Who? No, Percy. Somebody is holding Nigeria. Somebody is holding Nigeria. Who will offend? Mother, they sleep. Mother-in-law, they sleep with him pikin husband. And now, I beg, Nollywood people cause this storyline, no. Because I don't say nowadays, when I don't get anything to show, now go just they give us nonsense movies. I beg, cause this storyline, make una come put this inside script. They act up. Abomination upon abomination. And I no go dey surprise. The mother-in-law fit sabi wetin she dey do. That woman, because as they say, na street woman. Now street woman, see, no, think am first. If you no hear am well, go back, listen to where the man say they meet. Now jaye person be that. Meaning say she know wetin she dey do. And according to matter wey reach me, they say the mother-in-law don dey find pikin since. Say they no get male child. So as this one click, what you expect? No how. Because if na reasonable person, although nobody they support abortion or anything, but if na reasonable person, from the day where she know say, I don't miss my period though, she for don't start the worry, she for don't start, you understand? But this one, she even relax, accept am. Make una dey careful. Make una dey careful. No, I dey repeat am again. Make una dey careful. See, why be say Konji go hold man, to the point where you no even fit differentiate who you fit sleep with or not. You were very tipsy. Thank God you were not drunk. You were very tipsy. You no fit just control yourself small. Nani Asha, na the wife and the father-in-law are just the pity because they don't know the kind evil people where they get. Your wife dey there now, think say you marry husband. No, just imagine how she go feel when she hear this news now. Wetin she go wait? No, wetin she want? Chale, now why some people they commit suicide though? Because you don't just know how to control yourself again. This thing are bad news. This is terrible news. In fact, I don't even deadly, a bit devilish news. Now be this. Things they happen, oh. For now, when they still they sleep, things they happen. Doubting Thomas, when I go hear something, I go say this one, it's not true. Now this one only for movies with the see. Real life, when I hear Anana, when I just watch the interview, real life. So I bring them because I want to know what you think. The man they look for advice. At this point now, as things don't bad finish, what do you think the man is supposed to do? Now waiting I need, because only me, I don't even get advice. I tell you now the last time, my advice don't finish. Anything marriage, relationship, I don't get advice. So I don't bring a corner side. Anything where you think say this man fit do, because drop out for that side. And as usual, share this video, make everybody know say calamity don't they before some people. If you never subscribe, wait till they no how you want the game matters like this one. And they wonder just click on that thing fast. You know they take anything, destroy that bell so that anytime when we drop things for you, you could be the first to get the matter. Stay tuned for our next story.